Hello everyone, I am Risalas Sadiq. So today let's talk about Clear UI Stack View in UIKit. Clear UI Stack View in UIKit. So how we can clear or empty the UI Stack View? First we will remove arrange subview one by one using reduce method of an array in Swift. So first of all we will run this application. Okay, arrange Swift. In this stack we can create the design and this stack view. So because arrange subview property of UI stack view contains all the subviews of UI stack view. So first we will apply reduce on this property. Then we will keep all removed subviews in an array. After this we will remove subviews from superview one by one, and so this is a, let's dive into it. So add on this clear stack view. Okay, we're gonna add on this UI extension, add on this extensions, UI stack view, add on this methods, clear stack view. Okay, so clear stack view, let subviews arrange subview dot reduce arrange subview method on the UI stack view, and we're gonna apply this array method reduce method. We can achievement of this sum of this multiple views, and we can provide of value total subviews and new subviews, total value and new old value and new value. This is a total value subviews. And in this method return of UI view array in UI view in remove dot arrange subviews, and we're gonna pass on the new value and remove arrange subviews. Remove arrange subview method is used to remove one by one element on a stack view, not a view hierarchy. One by one element, remove element on a stack view. Okay, so return total subview plus new subview, array of counting plus array sum of plus array, and okay, and subview for each loop we're gonna apply the subview value is variable is achievement of multiple views, and so subviews we're gonna apply this for each loop. For each loop we can provide of index element index one by one and $0 remove from superview. Remove from superview method is used to remove element from often view hierarchy. Remove element often. So we're gonna in this create method, and we're gonna run this application. Suppose this is a, we're gonna run this shown this stack view content and create design. This is username password confirm. This is a stack view element use of add, and we're calling on this view did load method. This is a view did load, and calling on this method stack view extension. So stack view extension use of instance method of stack view dot clear stack view. Okay, sorry, command Z and clear, sorry, stack view dot clear stack view. Okay, this is the call clear stack view method. Okay, call clear stack view dot clear stack method. Okay, so we're gonna run on this application, check on this clear stack view method. So clear on this stack view. First we will remove arrange subviews one by one using reduce method. Using reduce method. Okay, reduce method using reduce method of array in Swift. So because arrange subview property, this is the arrange subview property. In this arrange subview property and of UI stack view contains all the subviews of UI stack views. So first we will apply reduce on this property, then we will keep all removed subviews in an array. After this we will remove subviews from superview one by one. So in this one, suppose this not calling in this method, and you can not calling this stack view remove on this method. So we run this application, and we're gonna know that this is a shown this content on a UI stack view, and you suppose this is a remove, this is a dynamic attribute control. Suppose we did load methods and calling on this stack view. This is the extension of stack view, UI stack view dot clear stack view. We will run this application. So notice the clear on a stack view, not show of any element on a UI, not show any element on a UI, but is all view remove this view hierarchy in this use of in this use of remove from super view. So thank you for watching this. You can enjoy my channel and like my videos please.